Model lines versus detail lines. Model lines will show in all of the views. We have level 1, level 2, level 3, or as you add more, model lines will show in all of the levels. Let's see. If I go to architecture, move over, I'll see model lines. These are the tools which I can draw. These are tools which I can modify the lines. If I just simply put my cursor, press and pull in the direction I wish, click, hit escape, finish, I have drawn a model line. That model line, it will show in level 2. When I click on level 2, it will show, it's just lighter because it was created in level 1. Now watch what happens. In level 1, I go back, and this time I would like to use detail line. Detail line would only show in the view that it was created. Since I'm working off of level 1, watch what happens. I go to annotate, detail line, and I will draw a line from here to here. If I look in here, that detail line, I can change the type. Right now it's hidden lines. Okay, I can go to medium lines or thin lines. Let's just go to thin lines and just draw a line like that. Now I go to level 2 to test whether I have detail lines here or model lines. When I go to level 2, I do not see the 2 vertical lines. I only see the horizontal line that was created in detail line. So we understand the difference between detail lines and model lines.